The world's first flushing toilet is way older than you think. Archaeologists discovered the world's oldest toilet in the city of Knossos on the island of Crete. It was found in the ruins of a palace. Unlike most ancient toilets, which were basically poo trenches, this one had a seat and it flushed. Now that's a throne. This ancient palace was fed by pipes that delivered water from springs 6 miles away. Who created all this? It was the Minoans, who were thought to be the inspiration for the myth of Atlantis. They built that toilet almost 4,000 years ago. Talk about a royal flush. If you like this video, subscribe to History Snob for more.